Are your Zstandard Compression Algorithm apps crashing due to the Zstandard Compression Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While preparing the manual steps for Zstandard Compression Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Zstandard Compression Library. The Zstd.dll library is a high-performance compression algorithm developed by Facebook. It provides high compression ratios with extremely fast real-time decompression speeds. It is a critical dependency for modern game launchers like Epic or Battle.net, and database managers to unpack assets on the fly. Missing Zstd.dll results in archive corrupted or failure to decompress errors, preventing software from loading textures or level data. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The Zstandard Compression Library DLL library is bundled specifically for Zstandard Compression Algorithm operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Zstandard Compression Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Zstandard Compression Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Zstandard Compression Library references. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Zstandard Compression Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.